Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever walked through the streets of Goa and smelled that incredible aroma wafting from the beach shacks, you know exactly what we are making today. Get ready to cook up the ultimate seafood delicacy, restaurant style Goan crab masala. This isn't just any crab curry, this is a journey to the heart of Goan cuisine. Blending the heat of Kashmiri chilies and a tang case of tamarind, we are going to show you the secret to preparing your crab perfectly and build a masala paste that is so flavorful you'll feel like you are sitting right on Baga beach. It's bold, it's spicy, and it's perfect way to elevate your weekend dinner. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to make the masala for crabs, in a mixer jar add 8 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 1 inch ginger, 6 garlic cloves, 1 small ball sized tamarind, 20 black peppercorns, 8 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon Goan vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, half cup fried brown onion, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup water, add more if required. Then blend it to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 4 tablespoon masala which was previously made. And then fry the masala for about 3 to 4 minutes until the masala is nice and thick. So as you can see that the masala is nice and thick now. Also it has changed its color. Make sure it is something like this. Then add 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 stock cube, 3 tablespoon butter, and then fry it for about 2 minutes. Until the butter is nicely melted. Then add 300 grams crab meat, add some salt to taste, and then give it a nice mix. And cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Cook it until it gets nice and thick like paste. As you can see that the oil is separated and it's slightly thick. Keep cooking it until it gets nice and thick. You want it to be like a thick paste. So as you can see, that is nice and thick now. Make sure it is something like this. Then add some chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Then leave it aside and allow it to cool down slightly. So the crab meat is slightly cooled down now. So here I have a crab shell, and now I will fill the crab shell with crab masala. Make sure not to overfill it as well. Gently press it down and fill in the sides. Make sure to do the same to all the other crab shells. Then simply place the crab shell on the baking tray and top it up with your favorite cheese. Here I am adding grated Parmesan cheese. Be generous while adding the cheese. Then simply bake it at 200 degrees for about 2 minutes until the cheese is nicely melted. So the restaurant style Goan crab masala is ready. And there you have it guys, your incredible restaurant style Goan crab masala. Just look at that perfect red color and those perfectly cooked crab shells, infused with a smoky, tangy and a hit of Goan spice. This dish is truly showstopper, bringing the spirit of Konkan coast right in your dining table. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's a special one and definitely worth the effort. Serve this masterpiece with some hot steamed rice, a crusty Goan pav, or you can have it straight. If you love this masterpiece, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.